And now I want to do a little something on Bitcoin. Listen. I am not advocating people jump into Bitcoin and become a millionaire. I'm doing this because so much big money is. And now I want to do a little something on Bitcoin. Listen. I am not advocating people jump into Bitcoin and become a millionaire. I'm doing this because so much big money is jumping into it. Something is up. Now, I had Rick Ackerman on, who said that it's mostly greed. You know, he's probably right. It's mostly greed. I still think there's something else there as well. It's not all greed. It's more than just greed, although that's probably a big part of it. Okay. But here we have yet another mile marker in the Bitcoin saga, which Bitcoin to come to America's oldest bank, BNY Mellon Bank. Now look at this, folks. BNY Mellon Bank. This is a big deal because this is no small bank. They had $41 trillion under management. $41 trillion. Now, you don't manage that kind of money because you're a greasy weasel that does wild, crazy investment, and you're just all about the greed. Okay, no, you don't maintain and keep that money without a massive downside risk equivalent, and people that are watching the risk on the downside. All right, you don't amass that kind of fortune without controlling the risk. And these are people with big money. Little people are, if you're out there buying Bitcoin, you're swimming with sharks, okay? Now, you could buy fractions of all kinds of different coins, including Bitcoin. Don't bet the farm. Have other investments. Don't bet the farm and don't borrow money to do it. But I'm telling you this about Bitcoin because something big is afoot. You have BNY Mellon, and here we have on the custody bank said Thursday it will hold, transfer, and issue Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on behalf of its asset management clients. In time, BNY Mellon will allow those digital assets to pass through the same plumbing used by traditional holdings like treasuries and technology stocks, and using a platform that is now in prototype. That's a big deal. That is signaling something. I don't know if they think the stock market's going to crash, the dollar's going to crash, the bond market's going to crash, interest rates are going to spike. I got no idea. War, I don't know. I have no idea. But this is a one after another. Big players are jumping into Bitcoin. And now I think MasterCard is going to be transacting in some type of way in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. It's a big deal. And I don't know exactly what it's warning, but it's warning a lot. I want to tell you a little story about my friend Bo Polny. In 2020, last year, probably around February or March, something like that, he tells me, Bitcoin is going to go way up. My charts have it going way up. It's going to go way up. And how it's going to go up is because it's going to go up. It's going to go up just like it did the last two legs up. And at the time he told me this, he says, it's going to go up probably to 300,000 per Bitcoin. Excuse me? What? I thought it was a crazy number, and Polny is not crazy. So he says, you can't say that this is going to happen. Now, at the time, because I put this out to my subscribers and it's proprietary. Okay. So at the time, here's his chart. This is from this is what it looks like when you buy his thing. It's a private Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is January 20th, right there, 2020. And here he is making the case right here where Bitcoin is $8,600 a unit, right? Bitcoin's $8,600 a unit right here. And he's saying, here's the channel where it's going to go up. And what does he have here, which shows, here you get right here. There you go. You have it going up to what? $300,000 in his channel. That's what his price target is. It's 300,000 right here, right? Around $300,000. And I thought, holy cow. I mean, this is when it was 8,600, okay? it had gone way up to 1900 and came all the way back down. And Polny is I hear from my people